welcome to ELGA online class. Okay, yeah children, today we are going to cover ELGA for day 5 of unit 4. Okay, today we are going to cover ELGA for day 5 of unit 4. Okay, yeah children, what is today's topic? Anuj travels to Asia. Anuj travels to Asia. Okay children, now before start the class, we will do one activity. Okay, yeah children, when I am saying hi, yeah children, you say hello. Yeah children, when I am saying hello, you say hi. Okay, listen my instruction clearly. Okay children, listen. Hi. Hi children. You repeat. Hello. Hello. Next. Hello children. Hello. Yeah children, you will say hi. Hi. Okay children, very good. What is the meaning of ELGA? ELGA means English, language and general awareness. Okay. Yeah children, in ELGA, what is the first component? Phonics. Okay. Yeah children, in the phonics section, today, now let us learn blend. Okay, now let us learn fr and dr blend. Fr and dr blends. Okay, yeah children, when you have attending the online class, take your ELGA reader book, worksheet, pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay, very good. Okay children, now see the board. The first word is fried. Fried. One more time. Fried. The next word is fruit. Yeah children, now listen to me. What is this? This is banana. Okay, what is the color of this fruit? Yellow. It is in yellow. What is this? What is the name of this fruit? Watermelon. What is this? Watermelon. Next. Grapes. Very good. This is grapes. Okay, yeah children, these are called fruits. Okay. These are called fruits. Okay. Fruit. Next. Friday. Okay. Yeah children, what is today? Today is Friday. Okay. Next. Frog. The next word is friend. The another word is fret. The next word is frog. Frog means what? It is one type of water animal. Okay, thavalai. Okay, listen. Frog. Next, frank. Okay, yeah children, now take your ELGA reader book, page number 80. Okay, yeah children, take your student reader book, page number 80. Take soon children. Yeah children, now I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Take your ELGA reader book, page number 80. Yeah children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, very good. Yeah children, take your ELGA reader book, page number 80. Okay. From blend. Yeah children, now I will read the words. Yeah children, please repeat after me. Okay. Very good. What is the first word? The first word is fried. Fried. The next word is fruit. The another word is Friday. The last word is frog. Okay, the next one. Friend. Friend. The next word is fruit. Fruit. The another word is frog. Frog. The last word is frank. Frank. Okay, very good. Awesome. Good children. Children, now let us learn the dra blend sound. Okay, now let us learn the dra blend sound. Here children, listen, look at the board. Dra, dragon. Dra, dragon. Next, dra, draw. Dra, draw. Next, dra, drink. Dra, drink. The next word is dra, dress. The next word is dra, dress. Okay, yeah, children, what is this? This is dress. Okay, the next word is the same word, dra, dress. Dra, dress. The next word is dra, drip. Dra, drip. The other word is dra, drag. Dra, drag. The another word is dra, drop. Dra, drop. The last word is dra, drum. Dra, drum. Okay, yeah children, now take your Elga reader book, page number 81. Okay, yeah children, take your student reader book, page number 81. Dra blends. Now let us learn dra blends. Okay, yeah children. Now I will read the words for you. Yeah children, please repeat after with me. Okay. The first word is dra, dragon. Dra, dragon. Yeah children, say one more time. Dra, dragon. Okay. The next word is dra, draw. Dra, draw. The another word is dra, drink. Dra, drink. The last word is dra, dress. Dra, dress. The next word is dra, drip. Dra, drip. The next word is dra, drag. Dra, drag. The another word is dra, drop. Dra, drop. The last word is dra, drum. Dra, drum. Okay. Okay children, now let us learn the whole word section. Okay. Students, now let us learn the whole word section. Okay. Yeah children, what is the meaning of whole words? Whole words means, yeah children, we do not use letter sounds. Okay, this is called sight words. Okay. Yeah children, now look at the board. My first whole word is every. Say all of you. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Yeah, children, repeat once again. Every. The next whole word is himself. My next whole word is himself. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Himself. H-I-M-E-S-E-L-F. Himself. Okay. Yeah, children, H-I-M-S-E-L-F. Himself. Okay. My next word is across. My next whole word is across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across. The next whole word is again. Again. Repeat. Yeah, children, one more time. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. Okay. The next whole word is which. Which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. children, say one more time. Sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y. Sticky. Okay, very good. The next one word is greet. Greet. G-R-E-E-T. Greet. Yeah, children, repeat. G-R-E-E-T. Greet. The next whole word is return. What is the next whole word? Return. Read the spell for return. R-E-T-U-R-N. Return. What is the next whole word? Return. R-E-T-U-R-N. Return. The last whole word is filled. What is the last whole word? Filled. F-I-L-L-E-D. Filled. Okay. Yeah, children, once again I will recall the all whole words. Okay. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Listen the word carefully. Free. Free. Himself. Himself. Across. Across. Again. Again. The next whole word is which. Which. Cannot. Cannot. The next whole word is once. Once. The next whole word is time. Time. The next one, sticky. Sticky. The another one word is greet. Greet. The next whole word is return. Return. The last whole word is filled. Filled. Okay. Very good, children. Awesome. Now, yeah, students, take a Elga note. Okay, yeah, children, take a note, English note. Open the new page. Yeah, children, please write the today's date. Write the today's date and the day. Open the new page. Okay, open the fresh page. Take soon, children. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for 5 seconds. Yeah, children, please open your note. Okay, take your pencil. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. Your children, take your note and write the whole words. I want to write the whole words in your Elga note 2 times. Okay, your children, now I will give the time for 20 seconds. Your children, please quickly write the whole words in your note. Your children, quickly, your time start now. Write neat and beautiful. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your children, see the slide and quickly write the whole words. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Yeah, children, did you complete the whole words? Yeah, very good. Awesome, children. Great. Okay, now we are coming in the end of the whole word section. Now we will learn reading and listening comprehension. Okay, very good, children. Now see the slide. Take your student reader. Take soon, children. Take your student reader book, page number 76. Take soon, children. Your children listen. In our reading and listening comprehension, page number 76. Take your Elga reader book, page number 76. Okay, your children take soon. Take your student reader book, page number 76. Anuj travels to Asia. What is the today's topic? Anuj travels to Asia. Okay, your children, what is author? Who is author of this story? Sumit Mehta. The illustration Kriti Penha. Okay, your children, now I will read the story. Your children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Now I will read the story for you. Anuj has holidays once again. Anuj has holidays once again. Time to go traveling. Time to go traveling. The next line. Let's go around Asia. Let's go around Asia. Says Dad. Says Dad. Okay. The next one. Your children, look at the slide. What is this? This is flag. Okay. This is our Indian flag. How many colors? There are 3 colors. Okay, the first one, orange, white and green. Very good. Next, did you know? Did you know? Asia has 48 countries. Okay, your children listen. Asia has 48 countries. China and India are both in Asia. Okay, your children, Asia has how many countries? There are 48 countries. China and India are both in Asia. Okay, your children, China is our neighboring country. Yeah, okay. Next, they are the most populated. They are the most populated countries in the world. Okay, your children, once again, did you know Asia has how many countries? 48 countries. China and India. Your children, India and China are neighboring countries. Okay, China and India are both in Asia. They are the most populated countries in the world. Okay. Your children, now see the next slide. They land in China. Your children, now Anuj land in China. Neha says the host. Neha says the host. Okay. The next one, they eat yummy laddu. Okay, yummy laddu and sticky rice. Okay, your children, once again, they land in China. Neha says the host. They eat yummy laddu and sticky rice. Now, look at the slide. What do you think? Your children, listen. There are 2 boys are standing. Okay, your children. Yeah, one boy has map in his hand. Okay, listen. They go trekking in the Himalayas. They go trekking in the Himalayas. Okay, they have momos and tukka. They have momos and tukka. Okay, your children, momos and tukka is a food items. Okay. The next slide, they take a They take to a ferry to Sri Lanka. Okay, next. Kohomadev waves the host. Kohomadev waves the host. Yeah, children, what is the meaning of Kohomadev? இப்போ நம்ம ஊர் சைடில் நம்மளோட கண்ட்ரீஸ்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு வந்தால் நம்ம எல்லாரும் என்ன சொல்லுவோம், வணக்கம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். இங்கிலீஷில் அதே என்ன சொல்லுவோம், குட் மார்னிங், குட் ஈவினிங், வணக்கம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அதே போல் என்னது ஸ்ரீலங்காவில் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா கொஹோமதே அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நம்ம எப்படி வணக்கம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம், விஷ் பண்ணுறோம், அவங்களோட பாஷையில் கொஹோமதே அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். They climb the Line Rock. They climb the Line Rock. They eat fish curry and rice. They eat fish curry and rice. Okay, yeah, children, in our country, sambar and rice is very famous. Okay, next. Now it's time to go back. Anuj has a journal full of memories. Okay, yeah, children, now look at the picture. Anuj is writing something. Okay, now it's time to go back. Anuj has a journal full of memories. Okay, okay, children, now hello everybody. ஒவ்வொரு கண்ட்ரிலையும் எப்படி வந்து அவங்கள நமஸ்தே பண்ணுவாங்க, வணக்கம் வந்தனம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எப்படி வரவேற்பாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். சரிங்களா? ஹலோ எவ்ரிபடி. நவ் ஸ்ரீலங்கா. ஸ்ரீலங்கா பீப்புள் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, வந்த உடனே நம்ம வணக்கம் சொல்கிற மாதிரி இன் ஸ்ரீலங்கா பீப்புள் கொஹோமதே என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, கொஹோமதே. நெக்ஸ்ட். இன் சைனா. இன் சைனா பீப்புள் நீஹா. இன் சைனா பீப்புள் சேஸ் நீஹா. Next. Japan. Konnichiwa. In Japan people says Konnichiwa. Okay, next. In Bhutan. Bhutan people says Dashi Delek. Dashi Delek. Okay, next. In India says Namaste. In India says Namastes. In America says hello. In America says hello. Okay, yeah, children, once again I repeat. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Hello everybody. In Sri Lanka people says Kohomade. In Sri Lanka people says Kohomade. Next. In China people says Niha. In China people says Niha. Next. In Japan people says Konnichiwa. In Japan people says Konnichiwa. Next. In Bhutan people says Dashi Delek. Say all of you. Dashi Delek. Next. In India people says Namaste. In America says hello. Okay. Okay, children, now let us learn the grammar section. Okay, in our grammar section now we will learn punctuation. Okay, punctuation means what? Okay, your children listen. Punctuation means what? Your children already you know this one. Punctuation means what? Your children listen. When you have write one sentence. Okay, your children, when you have write one sentence, your children listen. In the grammar section we will learn capitalization. Capitalization. Okay, what is the meaning of capitalization? Your children, when we write the one sentence, your children, the first start in the capital letter. The first words must be start in the capital letters. The end of the sentence we will put in the full stop. Okay, your children, now look at the board. Read the sentence. Rohit. What is the first letter of Rohit? R. So your children must you write capital letter. Okay. Rohit has a world map in his room. End of the sentence. Definitely you put the full stop. Okay. Yeah, this is the sentence format. Okay. This is the structure. This is the structure. Yeah, children, now look at the slide. Rohit has a world map in his room. Your children listen carefully. First start பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? Capital letter, the end of the sentence give full stop. He full stop அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? மறுபடியும் capital letterலயே start பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Okay. He has marked places on it that he wants to see. End of the sentence, full stop. Your children listen carefully once again. Rohit has a world map in his room. He has marked places on it that he wants to see. Okay. Your children now read the first sentence from the story on Student Reader 3, Flying Across the World. Your children listen. Next. In the sentence flying across the world, your children Rohit. Your children now read the first sentence. The first sentence start with small letter. This is not a correct way. Rohit has a world map in his room. There is no full stop, no capital letter. This sentence is wrong. Okay, next. Read the second sentence. He has marked places on it that he wants to see. Okay, your children, here there is capital letter is here but no full stop. Next, read the third sentence. He can. Your children, there is no capital letter. This is small letter. He can see himself flying on the parachute. There is no full stop. Next, he is flying across India. Your children, in the sentence there is a full stop but no capital letters. Your children, now read the first sentence here. Okay, next. Rohit has a world map in his room. He has marked places on it that he wants to see. He can see himself flying on the parachute. He is flying across India. Your children, which sentence is correct? Your children, the sentence in the Student Reader is correct. Okay, your children, this is wrong. It use capital letters and full stop. Your children, in your Student Reader is a correct answer. Okay, your children, now take your worksheet page number 89. Your children, now take your worksheet page number 89. Your children, take soon. Your children, now I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Take your worksheet page number 89. Your children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good children. Take your worksheet page number 89. Worksheet number 7. Anuj travels to Asia. Anuj travels to Asia. Your children, now question number 1. Which word from the story means the same as traveling? Your children, listen. Now listen the question properly. Which word from the story means the same as traveling? Your children, the first one answer is momo. The second one eat. The last one answer is drive. Your children, which one is the correct answer? Very good. Drive is the correct answer. Drive is a traveling. Traveling means drive. Next, question number 2. Which word from the story means the same as trekking? Which word from the story means the same as trekking? Trekking means what? Sri Lanka, climb, welcome. Yeah, which one is the correct answer? Climb. Trekking means climb. Climb the mountains. Okay. Next. Your children, take your pencil. Tick the correct answer. Very good. Next. Your children, question number 3. Tick the sentence that says what will happen next in the picture. This is called prediction. Okay. Your children, the first one, look at the first one picture. The two birds are singing. The birds will sing. The birds will fly. Yeah, which one is the correct answer? The birds will sing. The birds will sing. Okay. Next. Question number 3B. The children will run. The children will eat. Yeah, children, look at the picture. What do you think? What is your guessing? The children will run or the children will eat? Yeah, very good. The children will eat. This is the correct answer. Next. Yeah, children, look at the picture. The baby will laugh. The baby will cry. Yeah, children, first look at the picture. See the picture. Which one is the correct answer? The baby will laugh or the baby will cry? Yeah, very good. The baby will cry. This is the correct answer. Next. Look at the picture. Question number 3D. The boy will play with friends. The boy will play with friends. The boy will eat with friends. The boy will eat with friends. Yeah, children, which one is the correct answer? The boy will play with friends is the correct answer. Okay, yeah, children, now I will give the time for 5 seconds. Yeah, children, quickly tick the correct answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, children. Next. Now take our worksheet 8. Page number 19. 90. 9 and 0. Page number 19. Worksheet number 8. Capitalization. Okay. Okay, children, now question number 1. Tick the sentences using capital letters and full stops correctly. Tick the correct sentences. Okay, children, now I will read the first sentence. An ant is a small animal. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Look at the slide. An ant is a small animal. Yeah, children, this sentence is correct. Why? What is the reason? Yeah, very good. Because the sentence start capital letter. The end of the sentence it has full stop. Okay, this is correct. Next. Question number 1B. Everyone is going for a picnic. Everyone is going for a picnic. Yeah, children, listen. This sentence is correct or wrong? Wrong. Why, children? Because, yeah, children, there is no capital letters. There is no capital letters, no full stop. Okay. So, this sentence is wrong. Very good. Next. Question number 1C. She is not going to school. She is not going to school. Yeah, children, this sentence is also wrong. Why? Because, yeah, children, listen. The sentence starts with the capital letter but no full stop. Okay, yeah, children, listen carefully. She. The S is a big letter. Okay, this is correct. But no, the end of the sentence, no full stop. So, the sentence is wrong. She is not going to school. The sentence is wrong. Next. Question number 1D. The man lives near my house. The children listen. The man lives near my house. Okay, yeah, children, in this sentence, there is no big letter. There is no capital letter. Okay, the TH is the T is in small letter. Yeah, children, did you remember the rules? Yeah, when you start one sentence, This is must be in capital letter. Okay, yeah children, now the T is in small letter. There is no full stop is here, but no big letter, no capital letter. So this sentence is also wrong. The man lives near my house. This sentence is wrong. Okay, next. Question number 1E. An elephant eat grass. An elephant eat grass. Okay, yeah children, in this sentence is correct. Why? Yeah, children, because an is big letter A. A is a big letter and the end of the sentence has also full stop. So, an elephant eat grass is a correct sentence. Okay, very good children. Yeah children, now take your pencil, tick the 2 correct sentence. Okay, well done. Next children, drawing conclusions. Yeah children, now we will come to the writing section. Okay, yeah children, now question number 2. Look at the pictures and tick the correct conclusion. Yeah children, see the slide. Question number 2. Look at the pictures and tick the correct conclusion. Yeah children, now see the picture. What do you think? The 2 boys are eating. Okay, the 2 boys are eating. Okay, yeah children, sorry, 2 boys, 1 dad and 1 son. Okay, yeah children, they are drinking water. The first sentence. What is the first sentence? They are drinking water. Next one sentence. They are eating food. They are eating food. Yeah children, which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. They are eating food. They are eating food is the correct answer. Okay, next. The 2 boys are standing. Okay, yeah children, listen. They are driving or they are trekking. They are driving or they are trekking. Okay, yeah children, in the background, look at the picture. In the background there is Himalayas, mountains. Okay, அப்ப பின்னாடி mountain இருக்கு. Mountainல போய் நம்ம வண்டி ஓட்ட முடியுமா? Yeah children, can you able to drive on the mountain? No, we cannot able to drive on the mountain. Okay, yeah children, in the mountain we only trekking. Okay, yeah, this is called climbing. Okay, they are trekking, they are driving. Yeah children, which one is the correct answer, students? Very good, they are trekking. Okay children, now once again recall the today's class. Yeah, in the phonics section we learned about dr and fr blend. Okay, fr and dr blend. Next, in the whole word section, all the whole words revised. Okay, next in the reading and listening comprehension, Anuj travels to Asia. Okay, in the grammar section we learned about capitalization, punctuation. Okay, yeah children, now I will give the homework for you. Children, now look at the board. Yeah children, this is your today's homework. Okay, your whole words, page number 92. Yeah children, in your student reader, okay, page number 92, whole words, write in 2 times in your English note. Okay children, this is your homework. Okay children, thank you, bye, happy learning. Thank you children, have a nice day, bye.